In this video, we will learn how to simplify the expression cosine of arcsin of x. We'll do this using the Pythagorean identity and the definition of trigonometric functions in a right triangle. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's think about the expression arcsin of x. The arcsin is the inverse sine function, which outputs an angle. Given that sine is defined as the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse in a right triangle, we can visualize this angle as part of a triangle with the opposite side of length x and a hypotenuse of length 1. Let's draw a diagram to better understand this. Now that we have set up our right triangle, let's focus on finding the cosine of theta. The definition of cosine in this triangle would give us cosine of theta equals the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. But we don't have the adjacent side yet. This is where the Pythagorean theorem comes in. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Substituting known values, we have that 1 squared is equal to x squared plus the adjacent squared. Solving for the adjacent side, we find that it equals the square root of 1 minus x squared. So cosine of theta, or cosine of arcsin of x, simplifies to the square root of 1 minus x squared. This is how we can simplify cosine of arcsin of x using the Pythagorean identity and the definition of trigonometric functions in a right triangle.